At least 3 people have died after an African Union military helicopter crashed and caught fire at Mogadishu's airport on Wednesday. Somali officials said the chopper, originally from Uganda Air Force, was part of the AU peacekeeping mission and had flown in from Bali Dugo airfield with 8 people on board. The crash happened around 07:30 a.m. 3 people escaped with burns, but 5 are still unaccounted for. Somali and Ugandan authorities are working to confirm the final toll.